So we're at the Olympic Club in San Francisco. We have the 125th U.S. Amateur Championship. It's played on both the lake and the ocean golf course. The lake is the one that's hosted the 6 U.S. Opens. The lake course was renovated in September 2023. So we were doing a lot of greens preparation and trying to understand what kind of speeds, what kind of firmness could we get for this year. So it's been a preparation for really 2 summers. Especially the last 3 to 4 weeks have been very intense. Different spray applications, all the things to make sure that when we really put this golf course to the test and really get it dialed in, that we have all the protectants in place. In 2023, when we redid the lake greens, we went with pure distinction, and it's been phenomenal. Density is great, the color is a little bit of a lighter color, which really blends in well with our POA fairways and approaches. It's been a phenomenal grass. We are running greens in the mid to upper 13s right now, and it's not taking a lot for us to get there. So it's a great performing bentgrass. The golfers that play in this championship, they've a lot of great feedback of how good the greens are. They're super fast, firm, challenging, but at the same time they love it. But more important to me, my members who play every day, they love the lake greens. They could be rolling 10.5 and they feel like they're rolling faster. They will compliment how great the roll is, the smoothness. That's my clientele, and that's the most important thing. So it's going to be really fun to see, for the first time, a super high level championship being played on a course that really the philosophy from Gil Hance was he wanted to put it back to the characteristics and the feel, not necessarily the exact design of what the original architect intended. And you know what, so far it's holding up.